Strasbourg is the capital of the Alsace region of France and is located on the border with Germany. With its blend of French and German cultures, Strasbourg is an exciting destination for tourists from all over the world. Here are the top 10 things to do in Strasbourg. Visit the Cathedral of Notre-Dame de Strasbourg. The Strasbourg Cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, dating back to the 12th century. The cathedral is the tallest structure in Strasbourg, with a height of 142 meters. Visitors can admire the intricate carvings, stained glass windows, and the astronomical clock, which dates back to the 16th century. Take a stroll in Petite France. Petite France is a charming neighborhood in Strasbourg that is famous for its half-timbered houses, canals, and bridges. It is a great place to wander around and explore the narrow streets, cozy cafes, and restaurants. Explore the Palace Rouen. The Palace Rouen is a historic palace located in the heart of Strasbourg. It was built in the 18th century for the Prince Bishops of Strasbourg and now houses 3 museums: the Museum of Fine Arts, the Museum of Decorative Arts, and the Archaeological Museum. Take a boat tour of the city. A boat tour is a great way to explore Strasbourg from a different perspective. The tour takes you through the canals of Petite France, the European Parliament, and the Orangerie Park. The boats depart from the quays along the Ile River. Visit the European Parliament. Strasbourg is the official seat of the European Parliament, and visitors can take a guided tour of the Parliament buildings. The tour provides an insight into the workings of the European Union and the role of the European Parliament in shaping European policies. Admire the Place Gutenberg. The Place Gutenberg is a historic square in Strasbourg named after the famous German inventor Johannes Gutenberg, who invented the printing press. The square is surrounded by charming buildings and is a popular spot for street performers. Wander through the Parc de l'Orangerie. The Parc de l'Orangerie is the oldest and largest park in Strasbourg. The park features a large lake, an outdoor theater, a mini zoo, and a number of walking paths. It is a great place to relax and unwind. Visit the Musée de Louvre Notre Dame. The Musée de Louvre Notre Dame is an art museum located in the heart of Strasbourg. The museum houses a collection of medieval and Renaissance art, including sculptures, paintings, and tapestries. The museum also has a section dedicated to the history of the cathedral. Take a day trip to the Alsatian wine route. The Alsatian wine route is a scenic road that winds through the vineyards of the Alsace region. The route passes through charming villages and towns, each with its own unique character. Visitors can stop at the local wineries and sample the delicious Alsatian wines. Explore the Strasbourg Christmas markets. Strasbourg is famous for its Christmas markets, which take place in the city center during the month of December. The markets feature hundreds of stalls selling handcrafted gifts, ornaments, and traditional Alsatian treats. The markets are a great place to get into the holiday spirit. That brings us to the end of this video. You can check the link in the description box to book great hotels in this city. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.